Hi, this is Vikas Yadav, and today we will discuss about artificial neuron. So लास्ट वीडियो में हमने न्यूरॉन के बारे में बात किया था, और आज हम आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरॉन के बारे में देखेंगे कि आर्टिफिशियल न्यूरॉन क्या होता है एंड जो ह्यूमन न्यूरॉन है उससे किस प्रकार सिमिलर है. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Artificial neuron. Okay, so today we will discuss about artificial neuron, and here four things like dendrites. Okay, and फिर axon, and third आपका cell body, and synapse. Okay, this is all human neuron. Okay, so here artificial neuron. What is artificial neuron? So let's say this is a signal. Okay, x1, x2 and x3. Okay, and xn. Okay, so it is signal. Okay, and it has some data, means data equal to let's say bit. Okay, w. So each have some bit w1 and w2 and w3 and wn. Okay, so here okay, this is summation, means here any signal that have some bits, means some information, then it is all summation, means it is phi and a y, means this is the output. Okay, so here some signal that have some data information be called bit, so all summation. Okay, and here this means okay summation. Okay, here it means summation of wi and xi, means फंक्शन जो क्या है ये wi and wixi means it is w1 x1, okay, plus w2 x2 plus w3 x3 and so on, wn xn. Okay, so this is the sum of, means it is the summation of f. Okay, so summation of f है summation of f, summation of wxi. Okay, so and after this summation we apply activation function. So this is x1, x2 and x3 and xn. Okay, the sum bit and this is base. Okay, and 5. So why if we apply activation function. Okay, means this is output. W1, W2, W3 and Wn. Okay, so here summation of f equal to summation of xi wi. Okay, so it is have very large value. Okay, very large value. So and if we apply activation function, then we get 0 and 1. Okay, so in artificial neuron, so in artificial neuron here output between zeros and ones. Okay, so here different type of activation function. So activation function here first step function means step function. What is here step function means f of x if 0, okay, x less than equal to 0, okay, 1 means otherwise x greater than 0, then step function means sorry, this is my mistake. Okay, 1 otherwise. Okay, so 0 and it's 1. Okay, it is step function. And next is second sigmoid function. Okay, sigmoid function. It is also activation function because its output between 0 and 1. Okay, if we want to find a output, so necessary to apply the activation function. So here segment function f of x equal to 1 by 1 plus e power minus y. Okay, this is if apply, then we get answer between 0 and 1. Okay, so let's see an example, and like x1. Okay, x1 20, 30 and 10, and some data means okay third, and it has some bit 1, 2 and 3. Okay, 5 and 5. Okay, and 5 activation function b. Okay, now and f of z equal to summation of wixi. Okay, then wixi plus b, sorry, last here so okay there. Okay, here bb is and okay base. Okay, so if b equal to 0.2. okay, now 10 into 3 plus 30 into 2 plus 20 into 1. Okay, plus 0.2. Okay, 10.30 plus 60 plus 20 plus 0.2. okay, 330 90 110 plus 0.2 means 110.2. okay, and so next it is my f of z, and so here we apply activation function, and so here segment function applied now f of x 1 by 1 plus e power minus y, so y 110. okay, 1 by 1 plus e power 110 minus 0.2. okay, if e power 1 equal to 2.1718, then e power, okay, there is a calculator, where is calculator? Okay, h e power 2.718 into 718 into 110 plus 1 no, 299.9. Okay, 299.9. Okay, 1 by 2 point sorry 99.9. okay, so here 0.003. okay, so 0 and here 0.008. so here value 0 to 1. okay, so it's all about the artificial neuron. so नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम और भी टॉपिक देखेंगे जो सॉफ्ट कंप्यूटिंग से रिलेटेड है. सो अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और चैनल को शेयर करें. धन्यवाद.